Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope everybody is doing fine. Okay, do you have problem to create a video of your own? Maybe you don't have any video capture tool to use, or you think it is difficult and needs certain skills in which you don't have. So today, we are so eager to share with you on how to create one just by using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and it doesn't need any special skills to do it. Okay, without delay, let us start our tutorial now because I'm sure you are also eager to know how. Am I right? So first, we open a new file in Microsoft PowerPoint, then start doing your work. So for me, I've done my slide on coronavirus prevention. So it's good to set some animation to the slide to make the results more attractive and interesting. So once the slide is ready, then go to Insert and find Screen Recording and click on it. You will see several icons with specific functions on top in the middle of the screen. So the first icon is to record the screen, followed by the second icon to end the recording screen. So icon in the middle is to identify which screen area that we want to record. Then next to it is to record audio. Should you have a voice narration for the slide, or maybe you want to put a background music on it. Okay, so the last icon is used if you prefer to record the pointer movement. Now let's get started recording our screen. The first thing, we should identify the screen area to be recorded. Make sure to activate the icons that we want to use. Okay, let's say for me, I have already recorded an audio of my voice earlier, and I also want to put in the slide background music, but I don't want to have movement of the pointer highlighted in the video. So I will disable this icon. Then I will click on the audio icon only and start recording. From here, I will fast forward this video until the end of the process. I've done the recording part, and this is the captured screen in a video format. In order for us to save it, just right-click and choose Save Media As and identify the location of the file so that you know where to find it later. Okay everyone, it's time for me to show you the end result of my work that I've captured using Microsoft PowerPoint. The deadly Covid-19, which has dominated headlines since the start of the year, to date has affected over 4.8 million people worldwide and caused over 320,000 deaths globally. There is currently no vaccine to prevent Covid-19. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person. Some recent studies have suggested that Covid-19 may be spread by people who are not showing symptoms. One of the most recommended preventive measures in order to curb the rising coronavirus pandemic is to stay home and stay safe. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, most coronaviruses survive for a shorter time at higher temperatures and humidity levels. However, if you need to go outside by any unavoidable reasons, these are the measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Put distance between yourself and other people outside of your home. Remember that some people without symptoms may be able to spread virus. Stay at least 1 meter from other people. Do not gather in groups. Stay out of crowded places and avoid mass gatherings. Keeping distance from others is especially important for people who are at a higher risk of getting very sick. Cover your mouth and nose with a face mask when around others. Everyone should wear a face mask when they have to go out in public, for example, to go to the grocery store or to pick up other necessities. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Maintain coughing and sneezing at it. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Together we can make a difference. Let's all work together to remain calm, be positive, and fight this outbreak. This message is brought to you by the al-Hikmah Library. Not bad, right? So I think it's all for now. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Till we meet again in the next video. Assalamualaikum and bye.